where we are. We are still fighting for our space, Your Excellency, and we will continue fighting for it, especially where we are told, Your Excellency, that now men cannot marry us. It is women who will be marrying women and men marrying men. That one, as the women of Kenya, we are saying, hatutaki, 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 hatutaki. Tumekataa huyo shetani. Tunasema afanye nini? Tunasema afanye nini? Shetani afanye nini? Your Excellency, these mothers, we will celebrate them. We will only celebrate them the day a man will marry a man and give birth. That is the day we will ever celebrate them. But if a man marries a man and there is no child, awashindwe kabisa. Wanawake hata sijui wanaangalia nini. Ati mama anaangalia mama mwingine na kuna mwanaume. Hiyo ni shetani mbaya sana. As ladies want to celebrate, as ladies want to say, the man was tall and handsome, and the men want to say the woman had miguu mikubwa. That is what we want to hear. But we don't want to hear ati mwanaume when I'm buying a lipstick, a man is also competing with me to buy a lipstick. On that one, tunasema kama wamama wa Kenya tunakataa. Na wewe ukiwa rais ambaye anapenda maombi, ukatae tukikataa. Your Excellency, nikimalizia